I created a faceless YouTube channel and made $1,000 off of a single video just by hopping on a current YouTube trend.
Yup!
This has got to be the easiest money I've ever made. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do exactly the same, and I will show you how to edit exactly like me to go viral just like this video did. Don't worry, this is not like other YouTube videos where they try and teach you how to be the Elon Musk of editing.
Go f yourself.
I like to keep things very simple. The great thing about creating videos like these is that one single video can earn you thousands of dollars per month for years and years. What would you do if you posted one video and that video paid you thousands every month? Would you quit your job? Would you double down on the YouTube gold mine? Well, I did both, and now it's your turn. I now run a few faceless YouTube channels that are doing pretty well with ad revenue, and the sponsorship emails are starting to flow in pretty nicely. This is all because I spent my lunch break making a video once or twice a month.
Get back to work, slave.
How about no? Can you imagine if you made videos once or twice a week? Your channel would be sure to blow up in no time. I got it! Nice. I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's dive right in. If you don't already have a YouTube channel set up, it's very easy to do. The first thing you do is identify the type of niche that you want by determining what you want to make videos about and the CPM of that niche, which is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 clicks on your video. I've listed the top 10 highest paying niches of 2024 in the description below. Next, you pick a very unique name by using ChatGPT. I have created a customized GPT prompt that you can use to create unique and catchy YouTube channel names. It's in the description below the video. Next, grab the name that you like and enter it into a website like NameChecker or BrandSnag to make sure it's original and that nobody else has it. Dear God, it's me, Johnny. If you let this channel name be available, I will volunteer at 58 homeless shelters. Nice! Once your YouTube channel is created, we can now move on to the next step. The idea behind this concept is very simple. Our aim is to hop on current YouTube trends in order to bring in massive amounts of views to our videos. This means that you are looking for trending celebrities, internet challenges, or any other kind of video that is specific to your niche. To find trending topics, simply go to Google Trends. Once you're there, go to Explore. We're going to want to choose worldwide. For the time frame, it's going to be past 30 days, and then click on YouTube search. Then, input your niche in the search bar and press enter. We're going to be using the health and gaining muscle niche for this example. The results will populate and show you exactly what is trending on YouTube for your niche in the past 30 days. Perfect. Let's use this top supplements for building muscle trend. Whoa, 200% increase. That's a good sign. The first thing we're going to need to do is find a trending video on our specific niche. Let's choose this Andrew Huberman one about supplements and improving fitness. It was posted within the last 30 days and already has 200,000 views. Very nice. Let's go into the video description and copy the transcript. Turn the timestamps off to get only the words. Then, you're going to pop it into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the script while keeping the length exactly the same. Sweet. We've got a brand new fresh script that we can build the video on. The next step is to record a voiceover for the script. You can do this by simply recording the new script with your own voice, or you can enter it into a website like 11 Labs to create a super realistic AI voice. Remember when AI voices used to sound super cringe?
Well, your girlfriend thinks I have a sexy voice.
11 Labs has the most realistic sounding voice actors, built on a very impressive algorithmic neural network. Most of the time, you can't tell if it's a real person or an AI voiceover. It's free to use, but they do have paid plans starting at $1. If you want to use 11 Labs, please click on the link in the description. By signing up through this specific link, you can support the channel and help me buy new kitten mittens for my cat, Meowly Cyrus. Now that you got your epic voiceover, let's download it and pop it into Capcut. The Capcut editor is one of the most popular ones because it has so many options when it comes to video, effects, and is extremely easy to use, even for beginners. Let's open up CapCut and create a new project. We're going to want to import our voiceover and drag it right onto the timeline. Let's zoom in just a little bit, and then let's import the video that we got the script from. You can skip this step if you don't want to include people from the original video. It's always a good idea to build your video from the footage on Capcut because you run the risk of getting a copyright claim if you use too much of someone else's content. But, for the sake of this video, we are going to use a couple of clips from the original video. Okay, we're going to start building the video. The idea here is to add short video clips that correspond to what's being said. The first part says,
"Welcome to my awesome YouTube video."
So, let's add a nice welcoming scene from Capcut's video library. This one looks good. Let's drag it onto the timeline. The next part says,
Today, we're diving into the realm of supplements.
Cool. Before we drag another video clip, let's be sure to drag our first clip and make it around 5 seconds. You want each video clip to be around 5 to 7 seconds long because people's attention spans are very short when watching videos. And we need to constantly change up what's happening on the screen in order to retain viewers' attention.
Today, we're diving into the realm of supplements.
So let's search the word supplements. Remember, anything that the voiceover says, all you have to do is enter in a word relating to the sentence and drag the clip that you like onto the timeline. Super easy. Repeat this process until you have a minute or two of content. You can then search for parts in your downloaded video that relate to what is being said. Again, this part is optional, and most of you will probably just want to match up video clips to the message on the voiceover. It's way easier. In this example, I have included clips from the Huberman video alongside the Capcut footage. Videos should be about 5 to 7 minutes long and should take about 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. It should look something like this when finished. Notice how all of the video clips are aligned on top and the audio is on the bottom. It doesn't have to be complicated, just simple yet effective editing. A couple of last final touches include throwing some transitions between each clip to make it exciting. It's better to mix up the transitions and just place them at random parts of the video where each clip connects. One here, one there, skip a few, add some more. If you want, you can add some captions by going up to text and then auto-generate. You can adjust the size and color to make it really pop. Text on video is important because a lot of people these days listen to the video on mute while they're on the treadmill, in the kitchen, at the library, among other places. Throw a little bit of epic music underneath the voiceover and you're ready to roll. Remember that the music on Capcut video is copyrighted, so if you want to add any sort of music track, you need to get it from other sources. I've listed sources for free music in the description below. Now let's get a sneak peek into our new video. This took me 30 minutes to create, and I didn't even utilize any of the cool effects that Capcut has to enhance videos. When you make your video, get creative. Make it unique and one of a kind. Here it is. Drum roll, please.
Welcome to my awesome YouTube video. Today, we're diving into the realm of supplements geared towards maximizing muscle growth and overall fitness. In this discussion, we'll explore a variety of tools that can supercharge your training regimen and help you achieve your fitness goals. From omega-3 fatty acids to creatine and rhodiola rosea, we'll cover the essential supplements that every fitness enthusiast should consider incorporating into their routine.
Very cool. The more you practice with Capcut, the more your videos will get better and better. This method of taking the current trends and making videos around them gives your video a higher chance of going viral and earning you a substantial amount of money on YouTube. Remember, even though the trending video idea is very effective, you should always strive to make videos about what you are passionate about and enjoy. What I've taught you in this video is only the tip of the iceberg. However, what I cover in my comprehensive online YouTube course will reveal all the secrets you need to become extremely successful as a YouTube creator. From creating viral thumbnails to understanding the YouTube algorithm, knowing exactly how to set up your YouTube channel for success, and much more. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Also, did you really think I forgot the promise I made earlier in the video? I am a man of my word, helping out the homeless. Here's your very, very hot soup. Oh God, no! Dear God, it's me, Johnny. If you let this channel name be available... No, Meowly! Papa's filming! I got it! Oh, got it. Oh, got it! Cut!